uchangosvika uchangotibata paBombshell Television, feel free to subscribe to our channel because atidisappoint. Tinoudza news dzinopisa, tinoudza nyaya dzinopisa pano paBombshell Television. So nganditende futi zvekare avo vakasubscribe kudhara, returning subscribers zvira kuti ndo real fans, including iwewe subscriber muzora nhasi muri real fans eBombshell Television. So right now pane nyaya ndauya nayo ya Emmanuel, Prophet Emmanuel Chingosho, avo profit pamusoro pema-elections ari kuitwa musi wa23 August 2023 gore rino. So vane zvavataura, handisida kunyanya kutaura zvakawanda, da kuti muzvinzwire pamashoko avataura, mashoko makukutu, andoda kuti muzvinzwire pamusoro pema-elections atoprofitwa kudhara, ma-elections asati aitwa. So da kuti mutaure zvamunofunga in the comment section below. Musupport, mulike this video. Thanks for watching. Mirega endo kupe video singada kunyanya kupedza nguva yenyu iro sanganai nevideo, mutaure zvamunofunga mu comment section.
There's something the Lord showed me concerning the country of Zimbabwe. The Lord opened my eyes and showed me who will be the next president of Zimbabwe in few months. But what God showed me is shocking. Why is it shocking? Because the person I saw that won the election in the spirit is not the person that will be sworn in as the president. And the Lord opened my eyes in the spirit realm. I saw myself in the country of Zimbabwe. As the Lord opened my eyes in this vision, and I saw a throne, and a man was walking to the throne majestically, and I saw a lot of people were shouting in jubilation, and the man actually in the spirit got to that throne, and a name was written in his face, and I see a name in his face, Nelson. And as the Lord showed me Nelson, something happened. Suddenly, as Nelson were about to sit on the throne, something erupted, like a problem, like, you know when they say a tornado is coming, a wide wind is coming, something erupted. As that wind wind arrived, the wind wind came with military. I asked the Lord in the vision, what is going on? He said I should watch. As I was looking in that vision, that thing erupted, and there was like everybody was capturing for help, and that throne was removed, and the person that reappeared in the throne was the current sitting president of Zimbabwe. I asked God, what happened? The Lord said, son, can't you interpret what you saw? And I said to him, thou knowest, Lord. He said to me, what it means is that people will vote for Nelson. He said, but they will announce another person president. And I asked God, is there a solution to it? The angel kept silent. I asked the Lord again, is there a solution to it? And he said, son, as a prophet, you should know if there will be a solution to it or not. I said, yes, I believe if somebody has been destined for something, if he rises to the occasion, he will get to his destination. And the voice that spoke to me said that is very well correct. People from Zimbabwe should pray. They should pray so that the will of God will happen in their life. So there is no prophecy. When we spoke about the president of Ghana, 2 years later he became a president. We spoke about the president of Malawi, and he became a president. God told me to give him a warning. If not, 1 year he will lose the seat. He didn't obey the voice of God. 1 year he was removed from the seat. When we spoke about the one that just came to pass in Nigeria, everybody says a lie. It came to pass. When we spoke about that Trump will fail and Biden will be the next president, everybody says not possible, and it came to pass. There is no nation God has spoken to us that did not come to pass. What it means is that I'm advising, if you can rise to the occasion, you are the next president. But if you cannot rise to the occasion, you will not be the next president. And this is what the Lord told me, and I will hold on to God till what he brings come to pass, and it is thus says the Lord.